codecraft. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most fundamental data structures in computer science, the binary search tree or BST. We will cover what is BST, how it works, how to draw one step by step, and some real-world examples where BST are super useful. Let's get started. What is a binary search tree? A binary search tree is a type of binary tree in which every node follows a specific ordering rule. First one, the left child of a node contains a value smaller than the node itself. Second one, the right child contains a value greater than the node itself. This structure makes it extremely efficient for searching, inserting and deleting nodes compared to other type of data structures. This is a basic BST because of the left and right node rules. So next, how does the binary search tree work? When you add a node to a BST, you compare it to the root node. If it's smaller, you move to the left child. If it's larger, you move to the right child. You keep on doing this until you find the correct spot where there are no further children to move to. So next, how to draw binary search tree step by step. Now let's see how you can draw a binary search tree from scratch. So next we will see real-world examples of binary search trees. So where do we see binary search trees in real world? Here are some practical examples. First one is searching in databases. BSTs are used to efficiently search for records in large databases. Each comparison reduces the search space, which allow for the fast lookups. Next one is file systems. Some operating systems use BSTs to organize file directories where files are stored in sorted order and ascending them is quick. Next one is autocomplete features. When typing in a search bar or using predictive text, BSTs help in providing suggestions by storing words in sorted order and quickly finding matches. Next one is games and AI. In some video games are AI decision-making algorithms. BSTs can help in efficiently evaluating decisions by maintaining sorted game states. So next, how does the traversal of binary search tree? Let's do it. video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay updated on more computer science and data structure content. Let me know in the comments if there are anything you did like to me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.